Commissioner General Hamunyela cleared his diary to reason with these inmates at a meeting which lasted for over 4 hours. The meeting comes after the inmates petitioned the highest office at the facility, bordering on alleged irregularities over the selection of pardoning and reprieve of inmates. President Hage Geingob proclaimed last year that 1,023 offenders be released in commemoration of Namibia's independence anniversary, but inmates at the Windhoek facility's workshop section are crying foul.
Now, General, when the offenders had been pardoned, some of those offenders, or let me say most of the offenders, never participated in rehabilitation programs.
Foreign nationals in Namibia's jail cells also have their concerns.
As foreigners, if you don't have a passport which is valid or visa which is valid, you don't immigrate now from the card that you already have to a new one because you don't have a valid. And now for instance, myself, I'm 20 years in prison. Obviously, the passport has already expired 15 years ago. Now, where am I going to get a passport which is valid?
Jonas Kandombo says, though they have wronged society, offenders too deserve to be treated with dignity.
And then we are here to be corrected. But yet, we believe that our dignity still to be taken.
In his response, Hamunyela explained that most offenders at the workshop do not qualify for the ongoing pardon and reprieve.
Participation in two programs was never a criteria for the pardon and reprieve by His Excellency. It was not said this person must participate. The criteria considered most on the length of the sentence. A person who is having this length of sentence and who served this length of the sentence already, this part of the sentence can be pardoned or can be reprieved.
Other complaints brought under the attention of Hamunyela is that inmates employed at the facility only get a gratuity of $1 per day, irrespective of the jobs they perform. The general informed them that skilled offenders receive $200 per month as gratuity, whereas semi-skilled have a separate rate. Inmates further complained about the overpriced goods at the facility's mini-shop, but which upon our observation, if compared to prices charged elsewhere, seemed reasonable. Commissioner General Hamunyela, however, asked for an immediate investigation. The offenders also asked the General on the possibility of having an agreement with the Correctional Services and the Namibian Training Authority to offer funded training in various areas. The suggestion was welcomed by the Commissioner General, who promised the offenders that his office will look into this suggestion. Emil Seibep, NBC News, Windhoek.